Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by working non-destructively, so open the highest quality source and immediately add adjustment layers, curves, levels, camera raw. Once done, set the document profile to Adobe RGB or sRGB depending on output, and use the white eyedropper on a neutral patch to see color cast numerically. Make sure to keep the histogram visible. It tells you highlights, midtones, and shadows. You're setting a reliable baseline, so every correction after this is predictable and reversible. That's why we start here. Now focus on balance and tonality. Begin with curves, anchor black and white points to remove clipping, then nudge the midtone pivot for overall contrast. Next, correct white balance using camera raw or a color balance adjustment. Target neutral RGB ratios instead of guessing. Once those global moves are solid, paint masks on your adjustment layers to protect skin tones or specific highlights. This keeps local colors accurate while you tweak exposure, saturation, and vibrance. Make small moves, heavy-handed corrections. To finish, refine problem hues with selective color or hue/saturation layers, and verify skin tones against a reference or the neutral patch you sampled earlier. Merge a copy for sharpening. Use Smart Sharpen or High Pass and apply at low opacity. Then export with the intended profile and bit depth, for example sRGB and 8-bit for web. If colors suddenly shift, stop, check the document color profile, turn off auto color, and inspect each RGB channel for clipping. Doing that usually reveals the source of the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.